Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you or show you the expanded garden. In total I have 34 pots. 35 plus pots. But today I'm gonna update and show you the expanded area. So the root is, we will start in here. My tomato plant is still not bearing fruits or fruit, only one, including that there. It's kind of like a strawberry, but it's not. And I had the mushroom problem, which is already been solved. Wait. Okay, I thought I'm gonna sneeze. And in here I have my eggplant, which have now sprouting some flowers. And my kangkong is now um, regrowing. Okay. And my okra, my aloe veras are doing fine. My onions still not growing. The pomelo or suha is still in its seedling germination period. I have already pruned the eggplants, which I haven't knew until this day. I didn't knew that you should prune eggplants. Okay. In here I have my what I call the compost slash I don't know, it's just a biodegradable section, because I have this compost which has now a lot of okay, let's be proper now. It has a lot of vermicompost or poops. Well, that's farm poop. That's great for fertilizing plants. And in here I have mustards. I really like mustards and kangkongs on sinigangs. My okra plant in the seedling stage, tomatoes, and kangkong. This is self-watering pot, and there's a fire ants which is forming an island. I forgot what it's called, but I always see this in Hans Canada channel. So check his channel. There's a lot of ant videos, and it has knowledge or facts that you need to know about the world and the importance of ants. My papayas are doing well, although I don't know what is this. Oh, I forgot. This is where I call the germination and the rooting area, because I have here a germinating lettuce. I'll almost say fire ant. And in here I have germinating fruit shrubs, sorry. And my moss are propagating. My kangkong is rooting over there. A kangkong stem has fall there. I hope it grows, but it will definitely not. And here's where I call my nitrogen area, which has a lot of kangkong and mustards and lettuce. Here's my another compost bin, because that has already full of vermicompost and compost and decaying leaves. It smells like a rubber over there, a thread on wheels. Here's my kangkong, 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 kangkong. That's my kangkong. And eggplant over here. Mustards, which I already tell a while ago, I think. I have my beans, mustard, and lettuce over there. So yeah. And a bit of a fact, you should shower the seeds with this mister or sprayer. So yeah, you should, because they will loosen their strength if you water them directly with a watering can. So that's just it about the garden and expansion, my garden. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Before we leave, let's capture Maui in his finest. Maui, you're sick now, so I needed the social distance, but never mind. Maui, this her is 3 years old, and we got him in 2018, which is born in, why are you sad? In 2017 she was born, and she's now in school cage over here, and a watering can. And yeah, he's doing well, but I'm afraid that she has sick. So yeah, look at her, look at her. I am only using a phone, so you gotta be careful because we may drop the phone there. But yeah, so this is Sakasha signing out, and stay safe, enjoy the view if you're living in the condo, and see you guys again tomorrow. Bye.